In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track expenses in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable system for logging purchases, seeing totals at a glance, and reviewing where your money goes over time. Start by creating a new table database in your Notion workspace. Open a new page and choose a full-page table so it lives on its own. Give it a clear name like Expense Tracker so you can find it easily later. Next, set up the essential columns. Your first column can serve as expense name, where you'll type a short, descriptive title for each purchase. Add an amount column using the number property, and format it as currency so everything is consistent. Create a category column using select or multi-select. This is where you'll label expenses as food, bills, business, savings, or anything that fits your life. Add a date column with the date property so each entry is tied to when it happened. Finally, include a payment method column, also a select property, so you can note whether you used cash, card, or another method. Keep names short and consistent. This makes filtering and reviewing much easier. Now you're ready to add entries. Each time you make a purchase, create a new row. Give it a clear expense name. Enter the amount, assign the category, set the date, and choose the payment method. Being consistent here is key. The same category names and accurate dates will pay off when you analyze your spending. To calculate totals and monitor patterns, use the power of your number properties. In the amount column, make sure it's set to currency. Then open the column menu and change the summary at the bottom to sum. Instantly, you'll see the total of all recorded expenses in this view. You can also switch summaries to average or count to get quick insights as you go. Categories help you stay organized. Keep the list focused. Food, bills, business, savings, and color code them so they're easy to scan. Over time, you'll quickly spot which tags appear most often. For deeper reviews, use filters and calendar views. Add a filter to show expenses where date is within this month to see your current spending, or filter by category to zero in on a single area, like food. Create a calendar view connected to your date column to see purchases plotted by day. This makes it easy to notice spikes, like higher spending on weekends or certain dates. Finally, update the tracker regularly. Enter expenses as soon as possible, or set a quick daily or weekly routine. Consistency keeps your records accurate and your insights meaningful. With this setup, Notion becomes a straightforward, flexible home for your expenses.